Hi everybody, Nick Dumeyer alongside Dexter Hall. Today we're going to talk about the just discontinued Silent Night 5208 and our repair capabilities. So guys, again, I'm here with Dexter Hall. Dexter, what are some of the common failures you see here and talk about our repair capabilities?
Okay. Most of the common failures with these 5208s is there's no AC power. It powers up with the battery, but the AC is gone. So that's a common problem that we find with these. Also, you might have a zone that's open or shorted. You know, those kind of things are the common problems that we find here. So we're able to repair it, put it in our mock-up system, check it, make sure all the devices are functioning, and you have AC and your battery. It's when the battery's off, you'll see the battery is missing. So
guys, again, this panel just became discontinued. It's not really easily replaced. Check us for reconditioned stock. If we don't have that, you can always send in your board, your bad board, for repair, and we can again do the repair work, make sure it tests out functionally, and get it back to you. Other than that, this is Nick Dumeyer and Dexter Hall. We'll see you again next time.